Just got out of AT&T, picked up these Galaxy Buds 2. Let's open them up and let's see how good they are. Guys, let's file that away. We don't need that. So as y'all know, I've always had these earbuds. JLab Go Air Pros. This is not my case. My case is green, but my case shorted out on the bottom, the cord, after 5 months of use. Of hardcore use. So I highly recommend these. They're 30 bucks. I highly recommend them. But scrap those. We're leveling up. So let's pop the old dingamajiggy and boom, just like that. Open up. Let's open them up. Ooh, they white too. Oh yeah, I always wanted some white ones. Oh, those look good. Oh, USB-C. Ooh, shucks. I was kind of hoping they'd be black, but you know what? I like white because it's a white box. Now the price on these, 149 bucks. Kind of expensive, but we're going to see the quality. What all they come with? Papers and crap. Yeah, I don't care about that. Let's get to these. We're back. So I got them earbuds right here. So let's peel this off. Satisfactory, man. This is always satisfying. Woo! Woohoo! Let's pop this case up. Ooh! Oh, the white on black contrast. Oh yeah. Ooh, and it's got the LED light, USB-C too. Man, these are already level up over my other ones where they are. I think I'm sitting on them. Yeah, right here. Now this is my dad's case. I got him some blue ones. I wanted something from JLab and I got him blue ones. Mine are green. His are at the house. If you're looking for some cheap earbuds, you don't want to spend more than 40 bucks, go with these. I'll have a link in the description below. Highly recommend them. But if you're looking for some higher expensive, well, no, I was going to get the other JLabs that they had, but man, I just saw these in there and I fell in love with that. Ooh, small fit. Let's see how they fit. Oh, so much better than the JLabs. They're so flush. Man, so again, I'm comparing them to a $150 kit here piece of earbuds to a $30 piece of earbuds. Not a very fair comparison, but this is all I have with me. So far, just off of feel, they feel lighter in the ear. They feel very nice, comfortable. I feel like I could wear these all day. And like just slides in that ear with nothing. Ooh, that noise cancellation. So let's get these paired up and let's see what they sound like. Let's check the mic. Alright, so let's see what else comes in this box. We got some more tips. That's always nice. A USB-A to USB-C cable. I like that. That's going to be neat. You can never have too many cables. Another reason why I'm glad I got these is, you know, I want something that can fit my ear better. Now, yes, I have a Motorola. Ain't gonna go too well, but let's see what else comes in this thing. Where's the paperwork? That's what I want to know about. I need to read the paperwork so I know what app to download, because apparently there's an app. Let's just open like this. Galaxy wearable app. Alright, let's get that downloaded. So how's the audio sound with these? How's the audio sound? I got one earbud in and that's all I got in. See, my other ear is done, and just for verifying proof that only one ear is in, because I know I got them trolls that don't believe me. Other earbuds right here. So far after listening to music for about a couple minutes, the sounds is very good. The loud volume. So overall I would give these 7 out of 10. Pretty good, you know, for the money. Very good. I'm gonna tell y'all that rating's gonna go up, and this was just an unboxing video of what comes in the Galaxy Buds 2. Now I'm going to update this after one whole day of usage, so I will see y'all tonight before I go to sleep, and I will tell y'all exactly what I really think about these, and after a whole day of usage, are they really worth your money? See y'all then. What's up, guys? I'm here to finish off the video on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. As far as compactability, they're super compact. Comfortability, they're super comfortable in your ears unless you have a plugged up ear. Loudness, they get super loud. They get pretty loud. They're pretty loud for everybody on daily use. Now, if you're a loud head, they might be a little soft, but bass, they got some epic bass. Pretty good bass for compact as size these are. Battery life, battery life is pretty decent. I can go all day with one earbud in my ear, 8 hours. So it's pretty decent. Durability, I give it a good 8 out of 10 because I keep these in a pocket with keys, and they scratch up against keys at all times, and it's just, I've dropped this case so many times, and it's just got a couple scratches on it, and that's about it. So I think they're very durable. I would recommend these. You can cop these for about 140 to 160 somewhere in there. I'll have some links in the description below. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.